Oh, what do we have here? When the shoplifter says, but I didn't do nothing, but she has a bag full of shit in her hands while the police are chasing her.
On February 27, 2024, an officer approached a woman who matched the description of a suspected shoplifter.
This is my belongings. This is all of my belongings.
Keep your hand out of the bag, put it down, put the phone down, and give me an ID.
I love me a hood rat.
For what, sir?
Ma'am, I will place you under arrest and
I didn't do anything.
Okay. They told me at Target you stole a bag of stuff.
I didn't steal anything.
That looked like a bag of stuff right there.
With me. Just give me your ID and we'll figure this out.
I didn't steal anything, sir. I'm sorry to tell you that. I'm a regular citizen. I'm on the phone with my mom. I didn't do anything wrong.
Your ID.
I don't have an ID, sir.
Let me tell y'all the red flags right now, and she about to take off running. You see she got red hair? I don't even think that's red. That's like a pinkish color. And then them swoops. You see how them baby hair swoops is like, them bitches got their own little shit going on. They coming out about half an inch. Well, maybe an inch from her forehead. She put a lot of time and effort into this shit. So she gonna get away with whatever she gonna try to do. You get what I'm saying? Hold on, let me start that over. I don't like that. 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 All right.
On February 27, 2024, an officer approached a woman who matched the description of a suspected shoplifter.
This is my belongings.
I love me a hood rat.
Keep your hand out of the bag, put it down, put the phone down, and give me an ID.
That chocolate skin.
An ID? For what, sir?
Ma'am, I will place you
Yes,
under
Lord.
arrest and
I didn't do anything.
Okay. They told me at Target you stole a bag of stuff.
I didn't steal anything,
Okay,
sir.
don't argue with me. Just give me your ID and we'll figure this out.
She got a bag full of shit in her hand though.
I'm sorry to
From
tell you that.
Target.
I'm a regular citizen. I'm on the phone with my mom. I didn't do anything wrong.
Your ID.
I don't have an ID, sir. I do not have an ID.
Look, I'm gonna tell you why she's not gonna make this easy for you. First, the color of her hair. I ain't never seen this color before, but this is one of my favorite hood rat specials right here. And then she got the swoop coming out. It don't just come out like regular. That motherfucker got some length and distance on it. You know what I'm saying? You see how it's going like that? Baby, she not finna make that easy for y'all.
Mom, can you come to first place right here? Because I'm being harassed by an officer. What is
Sit
your
down.
name, sir?
Sit down.
What's your name?
Which one have you got a 94 around?
Yes, Mom.
Her neck sweating.
Yeah, because I'm being harassed. I literally just came out of first watch, and now Officer Justin. What is your badge number, sir?
Sit down.
Sir, what is your badge? I know my rights. I know my rights, sir.
Oh.
Turn around.
Hold on, no, I'm not turning around now.
Look, her mama said run. Oh, damn. When did Vin Diesel get on the police force? The car's like, go get that. Oh. She crazy. Is she running zigzag routes like she in the NFL? Oh. Oh, she shook the fuck out of him, boy. His ankles, he need to go get his ankles look back at the precinct, because I know them bitches feel like Jello right now or spaghetti. Okay, she used to play football with her brothers in the backyard.
Sorry, we're going to New York. I'll you pull apart.
She keep running in front of the cars.
Stop rushing.
Yeah, she's slow as hell.
All right.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong. Can I call my mom?
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. If I'm running from the police, I'm kicking them flip-flops off. You hear me? I don't know why, but it seemed like when I was younger, when I used to take my shoes off, I used to turn into Speed. Flash, Sonic.
Ow! Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
Bro.
I have two kids. I didn't do anything.
We'll have her in custody. We're on FedEx.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
Put your hand behind your back.
All right, my mom is on the phone.
I don't care.
I got this.
Turn around.
Because you were trying to detain me and I didn't do anything. Sir,
I detain you.
baby, guess what? I just got surgery.
That's your fault.
I didn't do anything wrong. You wanted to detain me
FedEx.
for no reason.
On the boulevard, we got her in custody. Don't anybody else down.
Sir,
Shut up.
y'all trying to accuse me of
Stop talking.
I could not have been in this car right now because I damn sure would have had that window all the way down.
and I just literally came out of first watch.
Stop talking.
Can you put my shoe on? Y'all just scared me. My brother died from the police officer.
Okay.
Like, y'all scaring me. Of course I'm gonna run away.
Man, get off. Stop talking to me.
Ah,
I didn't mean for you to stop.
What are my buttons?
Oh,
Stop
Damn.
talking. Turn around.
sir, my
what did she do to deserve that? Damn, she ran. Yeah, she not strong. All she doing is talking now. Come on, now. That's a little bit excessive.
Turn around.
ow, my phone.
I'm not worried about nothing.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, up in it.
Can you please give me my
Sit down. Sit down in there.
Can you please get
Sit down in there.
Sir, please, I will cooperate. I just want to talk to my
Get in.
mom.
You're not talking to no one. You're under arrest.
You can do it at the county jail.
All right.
You go get my sunglasses. I'll drop them across the street.
Oh, that's all I asked. That's all I asked her. Where was she?
First watch,
She ran where?
straight to headquarters.
Are you serious?
Yep.
She ran to the police station?
Officer, can I please have my phone?
You want to search her? We didn't search her.
let me get gloves.
Hollywood police? This is in California? If this is California, I can see why she's stealing shit. A goddamn cheeseburger, fries, and a little nugget is about $15 out there. Shit.
Please, ma'am, can I just please call my mom? She have my phone. That's my
And I'm in Houston, Texas, man. Right on the east side.
phone right there.
I will
I just need
get-
to let her know
yes.
what's going on.
But at first I need you to pat you down.
Okay, ma'am, can I tell you the reason why I ran?
Yes.
Because I felt like I was being questioned and I didn't do anything wrong.
Question by who?
By that officer right there.
Okay, so were you not just at Target?
Yes, I was in Target.
Did you do anything at Target? Be aware, don't lie, because there are cameras everywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
So if there's a reason why we're interacting with you, it's because there's a reason. So think about what you did at Target that would have had us look for you specifically,
I
because
understand, I'm
you're
25
very
years old.
specific. You have red braids, you know what I'm saying? So what did you do at Target?
I just met up with my friend at Target. She handed me a bag and I came in here first watch.
Oh, no.
He used the bathroom. As soon as I came out, the
Your
police.
friend handed you a
Yes,
bag at Target?
A Spanish friend that just came from Target.
You don't
I
know what
just
was in
came-
that bag?
No, ma'am. It was all I saw was on top was a black coat on top. He asked me for my ID. I told him that my ID was I don't have on. I just
Your ID on you?
my ID should it's right there in my bag.
Just face the car, please.
Hey, her bag of shit.
What was that?
She set it down on the bench in front.
And my foot hurts.
Just
Do you have
naturally run.
anything else? No, I just have a
Just
shirt
naturally run from the police.
on. No, I was just scared, bro. I just got out of jail like 2 months ago
What the hell?
over some bullshit. The same bullshit. Like anything on you? No, it's just a bra. Yeah, sure.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, this is Officer Bromley with the Hollywood Police Department. Your daughter, we just stopped her and detained her because apparently she was stealing at Target. They were looking at her right now. They were looking at her through the...
Oh, damn. They got... Wait. They got her ass in 4K. Talking about she picked up a bag from a friend. Baby.
cameras as she was placing things into her bag, and she walked out of the business with all the stuff that she had stolen.
Okay.
Okay, so I will call you back as soon as we make a decision or we figure out what's going on. She started running
That was a smart by the Target employee, though. She didn't try to keep going. She said, all right,
from
boom.
the police, and that's how we got involved, okay?
She taking a nap? Did they let out? Oh, hell. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.